Did you know? Venus isn't just hellishly hot, it's also the solar system's heavy metal snow queen. Radar scans reveal shiny mountaintops. What's glittering there? Not ice, metal snow. Volcanoes spew lead and bismuth. At lower altitudes, these metals vaporize into a toxic mist. But high up, temperatures drop, and the mist freezes into galena and bismuthenite, metallics now. This doesn't stick around. At 864 degrees Fahrenheit, it vaporizes instantly. No winter wonderland here. NASA wants to solve the mystery. Future missions could sample this snow, and date Venus's history using lead isotopes. So next time you see Venus shining, remember, it's not just pretty, it's metal as heck. Subscribe for more cosmic weirdness.